बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 math chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.1 question number 7 part 5. There are solving of matter to take common middle term break formulas in combination of these three. There are solving steps to take minus common. Use a plus b whole square formula. Use a minus b whole square formula. First of all, take minus common. X is for x square minus bracket y square plus 2y plus 1. Then this you can see in bracket which formula is taking now. Use a plus b whole square formula. I will do now direct. Y plus 1 whole square. This comes the answer. And 4x square, 4x square minus bracket y plus 1 bracket whole square. Now let's take out a value and b value. A value is 2x and b value is bracket y plus 1 b value. Which formula it will become? We did not know. Let's see the steps. Which formula we will need? Use a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b formula. Done this? Now bracket there is a 6. It's not a 5. It's 6. 2x whole square minus bracket y plus 1 bracket whole square is equal to curly bracket plus bracket curly bracket minus bracket plus curly bracket. Now 2x y1 2x y1 and now this side will come as it is down. Whole square minus bracket y plus 1 whole square is equal to bracket 2x plus y plus plus 2y comes here 2x minus plus the minus plus the minus. Okay, now actually we have taken out our answer. Our answer is 2x plus y plus 1 bracket 2x minus y minus 1. Minus 1. And now let's check. Our answer comes like our book or not. First of all, 2x plus y plus 1, 2x plus y plus 1, 2x minus y minus 1, 2x minus y minus 1. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.